So I was cleaning out an old barn, getting ready to pull it all the way down because it's in bad shape. It's got a lot of rotten wood. And this is the middle of the winter time in Texas, so it was about 50 degrees outside. And, I was on the lookout for snakes and scorpions, and I came across this really enormous snake under a piece of wood. It was pretty docile because it was cold outside, and I really wanted to try to identify the snake and also remove it from the structure because I was going to pull the building down, and I didn't want to hurt the snake. But I was very surprised at how big this snake ended up being. So I don't have a clue as to what it is. I'm thinking some sort of rat snake or chicken snake, but I couldn't really tell based on the patterns on the snake's body. And all told, the snake was maybe 8 feet long. It was an enormous reptile. So if you could look at the shape of the head, the pattern on the body, I have no idea what it could be. If anybody has a clue, I'd appreciate the input to try to identify what type of snake this is, just out of my own curiosity. And I just want to look at some of the context clues. It was in a warm, damp location in a bunch of rotten wood in a barn. And there was a lot of chicken eggs. There's chickens all over the barn. there was rotten eggs everywhere. But no other mice, no other snakes. So what do you think it is? Please let me know. You have a good one.